Service Tax Act does have a concept of centralized registration that will go away, but we have to have a federal presence.
Correct.
Just to add to that, currently there is no clarity. People are seeking clarity in terms of separate registrations.
Yeah.
I believe that as we go into the implementation mode, as we start implementing this, most of it will be addressed by the finance ministry, and there will be a rollout provision which will try to help and make it better in terms of singleized registration or centralized registration, or to reduce the hardships which are caused in terms of interpretation of services from one entity to another entity. So there will be more better clarity as we go ahead, and all these apprehensions will be addressed.
But I would like to little disagree on your point, because see, we are a federal setup we have in our country of state and center. So I don't think a centralized registration concept will work here, where because we need to give the revenue to the state and the center. So we need to have separate registrations in each state and as well as the center.
So I agree on that. As I agree on that, what I was trying to bring out is as a process. So whatever is the hardship faced today, let's say for example in terms of having two separate registrations, even if the registrations are mandatory, I believe the more concern is about the taxation of services on either place and about the way the business has to be carried out in either of the locations.
Correct.
From a perspective of the concern that you have to do a business in a particular fashion, and the concern that inter taxable units will be taxed will be cleared, and better provisions will evolve in course of time as we implement, where better clarity will tell in what circumstances you will get a tax benefit, what circumstances will get taxed. So that will be sorted out. So that's initial bottleneck which will be addressed.
Yeah, so we have to wait and see for the fine print before we we can decide on that.
Yeah.
And with the successful implementation in Malaysia, our country is also moving towards a successful implementation of GST. Let's all hope for that.
So actually, I think we are a long way away. It has been just passed by the Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is going to take it up for discussion, and then I think it's an ambitious target of implementing it in April 2017. I don't know how all states can change their laws in a short period of time and then get down to implementing it by 2017.
But that's what the country is saying.
Yeah, I think they are given 1 month time for getting the state government to get the approval actually. I think everybody is hoping for that 2017 1st April GST will come. Let us hope.
Thank you, panelists. We had a good discussion on GST. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.